How to use Blogger for beginners. Want to start blogging for free? Here's the ultimate beginner's guide to use Blogger. So first go to blogger.com, sign in with your Google account, and then click on this new post button at the top left. So this will allow you to create a new post on Blogger. Now in here, go ahead and enter a title and then go ahead and choose a URL and pick a theme. So the dashboard is your control center, and from here you can write posts, manage pages, customize layout, and check stats. Click on new post, add a title, write your content, and use formatting tools for headings, lists, and links. Insert images or videos to make posts engaging. Choose a theme that fits your style. Use the layout editor to adjust header, sidebar, and footer. Add gadgets like search bar or social links. And when ready, click on publish, and your blog is live at the URL you chose. Share the link on social media to grow your audience. Create static pages like about or contact. Manage comments to keep discussions respectful and spam free. And use the stats to see page views, traffic sources, and audience insights. This helps you improve your content strategy. Blogger is a simple free platform for beginners. Sign in, customize, publish, and track your growth all in one place.